up as a base. So for brows, I use my Morphe Brow Aid palette, and it's broken, but I use this shade right here, and I'm just gonna fill out my brows using my angle brush. I always use a powder brush for a natural finish, and I don't really know how to use retractable brow pencils, so then I'm gonna be taking my Sephora concealer. Now I'm gonna take a brush that looks something like this, so I can shape out my brows, because I can never ever do a perfect brow. So after my brows, I do my face. So I use my foundation, and this is my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade Driftwood, and it's about that much because it's full coverage, so you don't need much. And then we're just gonna blend it. Concealing some imperfections because I have a zit right now. Perfect for doing a makeup tutorial. But I'm using the Sephora High Coverage Concealer again. And we're gonna conceal. I'm using the Airspun powder. I'm using my Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in the shade Bronze. I haven't been active on YouTube lately because there's been a lot of shit going on in my life. Not necessarily negative stuff, but some stuff. And I'm planning to actually be active on YouTube now. It was raining really hard earlier, and now I guess the sun is out. That's why, if you guys are wondering why that lighting changed, that's because cut my hair. My boyfriend just called me. He was asking me where I was, and I told him that I was filming a video, because apparently he messaged me like freaking a million times and called me multiple times, and I was not answering. So after contouring and all, I am gonna take a bronzer and apply it on my lid. So we're gonna move on to blush. I'm using NARS blush in the shade Exhibit A. This is a very red color, and looks like that. I'm just gonna need a little bit, and I'm gonna pop it right on my cheeks. also like to put it on my nose. I don't know if you guys can see that, but so the highlighter that I used was this highlighter from Kiko. It is a brand, an Italian brand. I got this from when I went there, and it is in the shade 232. It looks like the Laura Geller highlighter. So this is basically my look for an everyday, but if I get a little extra fancy, I usually do a winged eyeliner or I apply mascara on. But right now I don't have any lashes because I had eyelash extensions when I went to Italy, and then I pulled them out because they're just not comfortable. And I pulled them out, and all my lashes fell out after that, so there's no point of putting mascara on if I don't have any lashes anyways. So what I do is I apply a winged eyeliner because my eyes is pretty round, and I use my Sephora eyeliner. Okay, so I just finished doing my eyeliner, and my lips I use my lip tint, and this is fresh from the Philippines. I like to just dot because it's pretty pigmented. God, that's really strong. Okay, so this is my final look for everyday. Just to get this straight, I don't wear makeup every day. I usually just wear it at least once a week because I work and I go to school. I usually don't wear makeup. I wear makeup whenever it's the weekend and I go somewhere. I usually do my makeup in the morning. So that's gonna be my makeup throughout the day. Yeah, like I said, it differs from time to time. Next month I might have a different makeup for every day, but this is what I do currently. Okay, so that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. I will be uploading more soon.